Every business entity in New York needs a registered agent. This critical role ensures your company stays compliant with state regulations and never misses important legal documents. But what exactly does a registered agent do, and what are the requirements in New York? A registered agent is an individual or business entity that accepts service of process and official government communications on behalf of your company. In New York, most business entities, including LLCs and corporations, are legally required to designate a registered agent with a physical address in the state. New York has a unique approach to registered agents. By default, the New York Secretary of State serves as the registered agent for all businesses. However, this arrangement comes with limitations. When the Secretary of State receives documents for your business, they forward them by mail to your address on file, which can lead to delays with time-sensitive materials. To serve as a registered agent in New York, several requirements must be met. The agent must either be a resident of New York or a business entity authorized to operate in the state. They must maintain a physical street address in New York. Post office boxes are not acceptable. The agent must also be available during normal business hours to receive documents. You have several options when choosing a registered agent. You can serve as your own agent if you're a New York resident with a physical address in the state. You can designate another individual, such as an employee or business partner, or you can hire a professional registered agent service. Many business owners opt for professional registered agent services for several compelling reasons. These services ensure someone is always available during business hours to receive important documents. They offer compliance support, including annual report reminders and deadline alerts. They provide privacy by keeping your personal address off public records. For businesses operating in multiple states, National Registered Agent Services can provide coverage across all jurisdictions, and they handle the service of process discreetly, avoiding potentially uncomfortable situations where legal documents are delivered in front of clients or employees. Failing to maintain a valid registered agent can have serious consequences for your business. You could lose your good standing with the state. You might miss critical legal notices, potentially resulting in default judgments against your company. Late fees and penalties can accumulate if you miss tax forms or compliance deadlines. In the worst case, the state may administratively dissolve your business if it cannot deliver legal documents due to the absence of a registered agent. If you need to change your registered agent in New York, you must file a certificate of change with the Department of State. This form requires the new agent's name and street address in New York, along with a $30 filing fee. The process can be completed online or by mail. Remember to inform your previous agent of the change. When selecting a registered agent, prioritize reliability and consistent availability during business hours. Choose someone experienced with handling legal documents who understands their importance. Consider privacy implications, especially if you operate from home. Evaluate whether additional services like compliance tracking or document storage would benefit your business. While cost matters, the quality and reliability of the service should be your primary considerations. A registered agent plays a vital role in keeping your New York business compliant and informed of legal matters. Whether you choose to serve as your own agent, designate another individual, or hire a professional service, ensuring your agent meets all state requirements will help protect your business and maintain its good standing with New York authorities.